Alright, welcome back to another MemberMouse 101 training video. Again, my name is Eric Turnison, and in this video we're going to talk about core pages. Core pages are a very important concept in MemberMouse, and simply put, core pages are pages that have a significant and special meaning for your membership site. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through several examples of core pages that MemberMouse installs on your site out of the box. Right now, we're looking at the checkout page. So what you see here are some form fields that allow me to fill out account information, some form fields that allow me to fill out billing details, enter a coupon code if I like. You'll also notice that it displays data associated with the product that I'm purchasing, the price of the product, and the total price of the order. And there's a submit button. And all of this stuff that happens here, these functional elements, all of this is given to you out of the box when you install MemberMouse on the checkout core page. So if there's anything you ever need to change about how your checkout page looks, how it's laying out, or what fields are included, the checkout core page is where you're going to need to go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and click Submit Order. And this takes us to another core page. This is called a confirmation core page. And a confirmation core page is a page that's displayed to the customer directly after they purchase something. And I want you to notice here that this confirmation page is specifically associated with the starter product that I just purchased. By default, there is a confirmation page used for anything that's purchased. But then you can create confirmation pages associated with particular products. And what this allows you to do is create upsell paths. So for example, we see here on the starter confirmation page, I've added a special offer, particularly to people who bought the starter product. And this special offer is to upgrade to the advanced membership. So I'm going to go ahead and click this Accept Offer button. And now we're taken to another confirmation page. And you'll notice again that the content is now different. I purchased the advanced product, so now I'm shown a confirmation page associated with that advanced product. And again, this gives me an opportunity to display a custom message that should be shown to people who purchased that advanced product. Here I'm simply showing a thank you message and asking them to continue on to their homepage. So I'll just go ahead and click that. And now this is an example of another core page, the member homepage. The member homepage is a place where you can add content specifically for your different membership levels. So you can have different homepages for each membership level, which provides you an opportunity to add custom content based on the membership level of the currently logged in customer. Another example of a core page that's given to you out of the box is a My Account page. On the My Account page, it allows the customer to view their account details, update their billing and shipping address, view their active subscriptions and update billing details, view their order history, so these are all the payments that I've made, and also from here they can cancel their account. I want to note at this point that even though these core pages are laid out in a very particular way out of the box and they are fully functional and you can use them as is for the duration of your membership site, you have complete control over everything that's displayed here. You can go in, you can remove sections, you can move sections around, you can control all of the styling and remove pieces of information you may not want to show. So we'll go ahead and click Cancel. And here's an example of another core page. This is called the Save the Sale page. And it gives you an opportunity to display specific messaging to the customers attempting to cancel so you can attempt to keep them on as a customer. And here you can see I'm asking them to consider downgrading to the starter plan before they cancel. And as a customer, I can choose to accept that offer or I can cancel my membership. I'm going to go and accept the offer. And now I'm redirected to the confirmation page for that product. I want to mention quickly that a couple of times in this video you've seen me click on Accept Offer buttons. And these are actually examples of our one-click buy functionality. And I'm going to be going over this in a future video. But in case you're interested or wondering, those are done with the aid of smart tags. And if you want, you can go over to our support center and type in purchase links, and you'll find all the articles you need there to learn how to create these buttons. Now I'll go ahead and log out. This is another core page that MemberMouse provides out of the box and allows you to display particular messaging that you want to the customer once they've logged out. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in. And this is the login core page. Member Mouse again provides us out of the box a fully functioning login form that you can style how you want, and also put additional content around this if you'd like. If the particular person visiting this page doesn't have an account, you could advertise the membership levels that you offer and add links that they can use to access your sales information regarding those memberships. So I can go ahead and log in here if I want. And you'll notice once I log in, I'm taken directly to the member homepage associated with the membership level that I'm on. So the entire processes that we just walked through, starting with checkout, going to confirmation pages, going through an upsell process, viewing the My Account page, canceling from the My Account page, downgrading to a different membership level from the My Account page, viewing the member homepage associated with a particular membership level, all of that was done using core pages. So as you can see, core pages are a fundamental part of your membership site. So it's important to understand how they work and how to use them. So now that we've seen what it looks like to a customer, let's look at the back end in MemberMouse and actually see how you create these core pages and work with them. Okay, so here we are on the MemberMouse dashboard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Pages. And what you may notice immediately is that this looks a little different than from what your WordPress pages area usually looks like. Primary things are that there's two new columns that are added. One is core page type and one is access rights. This core page type column indicates if the page is a MemberMouse core page or not. This orange flag indicates if it's a default core page. And if you want to see only MemberMouse core pages, you can use this filter up here, select only show more MemberMouse core pages and click filter. Now, when MemberMouse is first installed, all of the default core pages will be created for you. That's all of the core pages with the orange flag next to them. And there's nothing more that you have to do at that point. You can run your entire membership site only using default core pages. The reasons why you would create a non-default core page is if you wanted to have more specific and direct interaction with the customer. For example, let's go ahead and create a confirmation page that's specific to a customer purchasing a particular product. All we do is go add new page and we'll enter in a message here. Thank you. And then we go to the core page settings here in the MemberMouse options drop down, and we'll see all of the specific core pages that we can create. So let's go ahead and select confirmation. And now it's asking me, is this a confirmation page for somebody signing up for a free membership level, or is it for a paid product? And I'm going to go select paid product. I'm going to say I want to show this page when somebody purchases the subscription bundle. And then what I can do is I can, from this drop-down MemberMouse templates, I can select a confirmation template and insert that. So this gives me a starting point. And you'll notice there are a lot of special shortcodes inside of this template. This allows you to display dynamic data to the customer. For example, this one outputs the customer's first name. This one outputs their username. These selection of tags output information about the order that was just placed, including ID, the price, the shipping amount, discount amount, the total of the order, etc. So all of this information is provided you in a template. And of course, you can modify this in any way you want. Remove all the information you don't want, keep the information you do want, style it however you want, and lay it out however you want. But what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and publish this unchanged. So now that I've done that, anytime somebody purchases the subscription bundle product, they're going to be directed to this page. So if I wanted to, I could put specific messaging on this page related to that purchase. Let me show you another example. Let's create a member homepage specific to a membership level. All I'll do is go to Add New, and this is going to be the advanced member homepage. And now I go to Core Page Settings dropdown. I select that this is a member home core page. And now I specify which membership level or levels that this homepage should be used for. So I'm going to do it for advanced members. And all I'll do is You put all the content in that you want. And now anytime an advanced member logs in, this is the page they're going to see. And one final thing that I want to show you, if we go back to our site as a customer view, the Logout, and go back to the checkout page. So you'll notice there's a particular look and feel to this page. This is not dictated by MemberMouse. MemberMouse will work with any WordPress theme that you want to work with. So just to demonstrate that, I have a particular theme applied right now, but if I go to Appearances, and let me just activate one of the default WordPress themes, go back to my site and refresh this page, you'll notice it now looks completely different, but it still functions the way it's supposed to. So not only are the MemberMouse core pages delivered to you directly out of the box, fully functional, but they will work with any theme that you want to use. So I hope this video helped you understand a little bit about core pages, how to use them, and how to set them up. And as always, to get additional information about core pages and anything else you want to know about, please visit our support center for additional training videos and support articles. And of course, you can email our support team if you have a specific question or something that you need help with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.